Crisp and clean with no caffeine. On the scene with a Travis Scott trainer. A lot of you guys don't like these, but I kind of do. They do come with shrouds. The shrouds are kind of ugly, but they are waterproof, so if you want to go off-road with them, you can. It's very stretchy, but my shit stayed in the box. A new rubber cactus logo on the tongue, multicolored rope laces. Unlike the brown pair that comes with 2 laces, these only come with 1. Really, what other color are you gonna put on here though? The mud guard and ankle guards, I'm not sure what they are. They're really strong, tough materials. I know it's not, but it actually looks like carbon fiber. I don't know what it is, honestly. The rest of this shoe is a corduroy type material, which is pretty soft to the touch. Cactus Jack branding on the toe strap. As well as inside the left shoe. Nike swoosh on the outside. Travis swoosh on the inside. Zipper on the back of the shoe, that is almost pointless because it's really hard to get anything in there. As with most of my shoes, I do wear them. The more I wear this shoe, the more I do like it. They're not my favorite pair, but they do look pretty solid on foot. I do wish the outline of the Nike swoosh on the outside of the shoe was at least outlined a little better or thicker, just so you kind of see it, because when you get far away, you can't really see it till you get pretty close to the shoe. Because of the materials on this, the corduroy, those soft material, these will get filthy, no doubt. These are about middle of the road as for comfort, and they're not uncomfortable to wear. They're kind of loose, they're not really tight, especially back here, it's a little loose, especially if you wear them untied. I'm not a big fan of that, but these do look really good untied. Big negative thing about these shoes is that they're loud. Everybody will hear you walk. Actually, may take this part off. That's a little better. Man. Is it the best looking shoe? No. Is it the worst? No. It's a decent looking shoe. It's a Travis Scott shoe for under $200 resale. So I don't think it's a bad deal.